If you're experiencing login issues with Teradata Vantage 2026, follow these straightforward steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity, as passwords are often case sensitive. Step 2. Verify network connection. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache. If you are accessing Teradata Vantage through a web browser, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data stored in your browser. Step 4. Update software. Ensure that your browser or client software is up to date. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues that may prevent you from logging in. Step 5. Contact support. If you have tried all the above steps and still cannot log in, reach out to your IT support team with Teradata support for assistance. Provide them with details about the issue for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login problems with Teradata Vantage 2026. If issues persist, don't hesitate to seek professional help.